everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. This video will be out a little late. Today is the 14th and it is currently 5:18. I was in the process of helping Travis take down his, I think he had maybe 55 or 56, 57 or 60 soft dreads, and y'all, you know how the little kids come out and their hair be so curly and thick? Yeah, imagine that with him. So finally got finished. I will call her back in a few once I'm done with this. So I just wanted to pretty much show you all what I've been spending my money on. And yes, as you all know, I most likely went over, but that's okay. I also came up with goals. So this is one of my goals, and I wanted to get to 4K watch hours by the end of this month, and I finally got there on October 11th. Can you all believe it? So from June the 12th until October the 11th, you all have helped me go from 2022 watch hours when I made my first post on Instagram to getting the watch hours I needed. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Of course, I do want to continue with tracking it all, which I am so far. Make sure all credit cards are paid off. And what that means is pay the credit card off, or when I cash stuff, take the money from the cash envelope and put it where it needs to go so I can get the credit cards paid off on time. Next, we have events. So we have Danny's Christmas box. The sale for that starts tomorrow. Do I have money for it? Not a lot at all. It's actually, I think, $190. So I didn't have time to save $190, but that is okay because I'm going to use the money that I got on top of, I still have pretty much next paycheck, and I've been working what I call a lot of overtime. Hopefully I can take care of all my credit cards, all of the things that I need, and then still save at the same time. If you're wondering what this is right here, this is my pencil or pen pouch from Gold Mine & Cocoa. Here are all the girls. Last, we have budget as if there were 2 paychecks. So this month for me is a magic month, and so far I've been on track, which I can't believe it myself. I've been on track to get the bills paid in 2 paychecks versus 3 like I normally would do. So hopefully with that third paycheck I can just use it for, little things such as cash envelopes and to save some money. So hopefully that will be all. So let's talk about my spending. And no, I haven't really filled out my tracker. Well, I did up until the 10th. So we did spend on that day, and that day as well. So when it comes to my spending, I already have everything written out. I'm hoping that you all are able to see this. I am going to zoom in a little bit more. Thank you all so much again for the help with me getting all of my watch hours that are needed. So let's talk about it. So, and these are broken down by cash, credit cards, and etc. So first we have Navy Federal credit card. I did have my bill for Cricket charged to Navy Federal, so that came out. On October the 7th, I got McDonald's. I took that from the $10 that I gave myself for $5.44 with $6 left, well, round up to $6. And I also went to Sonic on the 9th. Some of these dates are a little out of order. That's because I'm going by how they were placed on my credit card, so they're kind of out of order. The 9th went to Sonic, spent $6.53, round up to $7. On the 10th, and I'm going to sit down from here since I can't really see all of this from standing up. So, and I don't have on glasses either. So on the 10th, I got Jasmine dog food from Amazon. It was $38.22. Round up to 39. She already had 20 bucks. I'm just over by a little bit, so that's good. On the 9th, we have Walmart again, $46.28, round up $27. On the 9th, we have Arby's, $12.56, round up to $13. Yes, I'm one of the ones that are keeping Arby's in business. Next, I did get some gas on the same day, so filled up $35.02, round up to $36. I was about to say 26. Had $30 overall for gas, so that wasn't too bad. When it comes to the Cricket bill, remember I did say that came out, which made my total overall for Navy Federal $349.84. And as of yesterday and today as well, the 13th and the 14th. The 13th, I went to Dunkin'. They did have a offer for 10 donut holes for $2. So I got them. Didn't need them at all whatsoever. I turned around, went to McDonald's. I actually went to Arby's, sat in the parking lot, left Arby's, went to McDonald's, got their $5 meal and an apple pie, but I forgot that I had the donut holes from Arby's, so I ended up with donut holes and an apple pie. Don't worry, I did not eat those in the same day. $7.09, or as I like to say, $8. Later that night, I didn't really know what time Travis was getting off work, and just about everything in the freezer pretty much stayed in there. So went to Cookout, spent $13.09, or as I like to say, $14. And today I went to the Vision Center. I already had $13 for the bill that was due, but somehow I ended up needing to pay $45 for what I don't remember. So altogether I ended up spending $58.65, which is pending for Navy Federal. So next we have Leaders Credit Union. So on the 1st, I did pay for Google for $218. Have the charge for Danny's hoodie, which is still right here in the box. I haven't unboxed it just yet. I do need to see if I can fit it. Next, we have Amazon for $36.89, as I like to say, $37. Another purchase for Amazon for $29.28. Don't remember what this is for. This is when I sent Tara her gift for $9.85. I did put all of that money where it needed to go. Walmart, $46.03. I still haven't gotten my refund from when I paid to do laundry online, and yeah, I couldn't even do it, y'all. Like, I paid for it, I scanned the QR code, it would never work. So I'm still waiting on a refund for this. Captain D's on the 8th, $27.37. Walmart again, $16.37, and that's it for Leaders Credit Union. I know for a fact altogether that this is $100, well, pretty much $200 if you round up. This money won't be due until, next month. And then, of course, with the cash I had in my envelopes, I only made a couple of purchases. So Walmart, $54, had $66 left. Spending on the first, $56, which was from Amazon, with $2 left. $2 did go to the credit card. And Discover from today when I went to the pharmacy to pick up my eye drops and things, so $34.21. And grocery for $59.41, y'all. So I went to the ophthalmologist today, and me and the guy, well, the doctor, of course. Me and the doctor was talking. He did mention that my optic nerves are getting thin, but they have pretty much been thin since I've been coming to that eye center in, I want to say, 2016 or 2018. So everything is still stable, which is what we want. He did advise me to always make sure I have my medicine. So I have 4 different medicines I take, one at night only for a high ocular pressure. I have one that I take 3 times a day for high ocular pressure. I have one medicine that I take for my left eye only for high ocular pressure. And I do have my dry eye drops that I take 4 times a day. So he did mention that I always want to make sure that I keep my medicine, make sure I take it properly. Everything is still stable how it's been being for the last couple of years. But he did mention, you know how some people miss their medicine for like a week? He told me not to do that. That's a bad idea because stuff can get worse and I don't want it to get worse. So he told me not to do that. So other than that, I don't go back until April. So that means I got time to save some money. Let me go ahead and pause the video here, get everything added up, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I found my good old trusty dusty calculator. I did add up all of these, and this number is not accurate anymore since I did go ahead and make a payment for 118 for Cricket, $25, and I believe 250 some dollars. But if I add it correctly, I may owe this amount right here. And we'll definitely have to double check because I do have some things pending, of course, which is these things at the bottom. Let me go ahead and see. Okay, so I know for a fact in this Leaders Credit Union envelope, it is exactly $200. We can count it again to make sure. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 55, 65, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $200 all together. So I know for a fact that this is $200 even. And I don't have anything pending for Leaders Credit Union. Double checking. No, I don't. I know for a fact that this should be $30 if I'm not mistaken. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, $30 for Navy Federal. And I know for a fact I'm going to need more money. So where could I get more money from? So you remember when I was telling you about saving money in this binder to make sure that my mom goes to her best friend's funeral? Well, my aunt and or uncle is going to take my mom and sister. That way I don't have to go out of town. So instead of me saving this, I can add this to Navy Federal. So we have 30 in the other envelope. So we have 30, and then we're adding 35, 45, 55, 65 to that one. Let's see, what else do we have? And what I'm pretty much trying to do is make it easier on myself for my next paycheck. I definitely thought about giving these envelopes away since I don't really use them. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Is it only 4? 5. So 5 of these envelopes, I will include these in my giveaway. I did get some Happy Mail, and y'all, I can't wait to show you. So there's money from there. Where else could I possibly take money from? So bringing out Big Bertha. If you know, I've had this binder for pretty much since starting planning. Since I started planning back in, I want to say 2018. So this girl is what? This girl is forever fearless. I got this from Hobby Lobby. So let me check. And I don't think I have a dime in any of these. If not, that is okay. I was just checking to see. And I don't have anything in this binder that I could take out at all whatsoever. But that's okay. As we all know, I'm not using my emergency fund for any of this. So I'm going to go ahead, get everything added up, double check the accounts, just check to make sure everything is where it's needed to be. And I'm going to insert a picture right here. And I may be able to edit this. If not, this is currently 18 minutes long. If you have made it to the end, don't forget to leave, I don't know, hashtag you made it. Thank you so much for the help. I can't stop saying it. And when it comes to my spending, everything is going to, whoops, did my hair get in the camera? It's okay, y'all. I need to brush my hair. I don't think I brushed my hair all day today, so it may be a little tangled up. Hopefully not. What I'm going to do now is just put a pizza in the oven. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. I know some people have asked about my mom, y'all. So she is back to normal. She's still eating how she was eating in the hospital until she goes to her gastrologist, if I said that right, gastrologist appointment Thursday. So Thursday she will be back to eating normal. She have been eating, well, she have had something fried and it was okay for her. She didn't have any problems with it. And yes, she's back to moving around faster than me or anyone else I know. So she's back to normal. So she's good. So thank you all so much. Bye.